Hey everybody, this is Clint, and this tutorial is to quickly go over how to do Google Hangouts Meet and to do a live stream. So a live stream is when you do a video conference and then others can tune in. So let's say I have some kids out and they need to tune in to my math class that's going in. Or I want to record a session and have kids go back and view it later. So that's why you would do a Hangouts Meet and use a live stream. So the easiest way to do this is I have actually pulled up my Google Calendar. When I go there, I'm going to schedule a meet. So I know that this math class is going to happen at 11 o'clock. So I'm going to give it a title. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to edit this event. When I do that, you see right here it says add conferencing. I'm going to say a Hangouts Meet. And then from there, I'm going to say add live stream. When I do the add live stream, if I click right there, and it's going to wait for it to happen. But here will be my live stream. Now I can have other people in this meet. So if I say, hey, these kids can be a part of this, they can also be part of this live stream as well. So they can interact with you, or they can just view your screen and what you're doing. Let me go back to this link. Take this link and I can copy that link. Once I copy it, I can go into my Google Classroom and then I can add an assignment or material, however you want to do it. And then go in and put in that link there. Pasted it in. So now everybody got an email, hey, this is where you go in to view the live stream that will happen. So basically that's just the easy, in a nutshell, steps on how to do a Hangout Meet live stream. If you have questions, please email me. Thanks for watching.